So hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samuel. I'm popularly known as Dr. Sammy. So actually, we'll be learning logarithm today. So I want you to do something for me. Kindly what? Subscribe to my channel and then what? Like this video. Yeah, thank you for doing so. So now we'll dive into the word topic, which is what? Logarithm. So now under logarithm, we have what? Laws guiding what? Logarithm. So now, but there is a way we write logarithm. See how logarithm is written. For instance, you can say log a b. So now, how do I call this? I will say that log what? B base a. So this is how what? Logarithm is being what? Denoted. So this is what? Log b, and this down number is called base a. So that's how to what? Denote logarithm. So now we move down to what? Laws of logarithm. Laws of logarithm. Of logarithm. So now the first law goes this way. Now if you have log is AP key. Now if you have log A P times 2 log base A, you can express it like this: log A plus log A P. Are we together? This means that, sorry, P. This means that you will just what? Bring one log since they are having the same base and multiply it, the log, since it is what? Plus. Same thing too. We have what? Log base A P over Q. Division is minus, multiplication is plus in log. So it becomes log A P minus log what? A Q. So we have to express it. Now, if we have log A to 1, we have log 1 base A is what? 0. So in logarithm, if it's even log 1 base 100, it will be what? 0. So any log which is 1 to any base is what? 0. If I say log 1 base 20, the answer is what? 0. So now, also another law, log A base A is 1. So if you have log of the same thing, the log is same with the base, it is what? 1. Now also, if you have 1 over log B base A, if you have 1, it means inverse. So what does this mean? It means that you should change the what? You should change the base to the log, and the log to what? Base. It means log A base B. Now, the last law of what? Of logarithm is last law of logarithm is if you have log log P base A, we can also introduce what? Log of what? Same base. We can write it like this: log. We can introduce same base for the two. Log base B, log P base B, and we can introduce same log base for this and write it like this. So this is another law under logarithm. So if you have log what? P base A can be written as log P, we introduce similar base, over log A, we introduce what? Similar base, BB. So that's just it. Please take note of this law. We'll be applying it in what? Solving questions. Now, let's solve some questions under what? Logarithm. But before solving some questions under logarithm, if you also have, there's another logarithm. If you have log B base A and then the power is P, the power of B is P, you can be written as P log A B. You just bring the power to the back, means to multiply the log. So it is like this. Now, what if we have A B and then the P is on the base? So it can be written like this. So you just take inverse of the what? power p log a b. Why are we taking it back? Because the power is on the what? Base, is not on the log itself. So this is it. So take note of this laws of what? Logarithm. Now let's solve questions. Express y in terms of x. Now we have this question log 3 y minus 1 equals to x. Now in logarithm, there's what we do. There's a way we what? Change logarithm to indices. Now for instance, if you have something like this in logarithm, let's just say you have what? Log 10 x equals to 2. And you are asked to find log x in indices. We do it in logarithm, sorry. This is how we solve it. We change it to what? Indices. How do you change it to indices? Take this base and raise it to the power of the what? Answer. So it becomes 10 raised by 2 and equate it to what you are looking for equals to what? X. So your x is now 10 raised by 2 100. So log 100 base 10 will now give you what? 2. So this your x now is 100. So the log is 100. So same thing we apply here. So I'll raise this to the power of the answer to get what I'm looking for to become y minus answer. Y minus what? Y. Just as how I solve this. Very easy. So now we have to express y in terms of x. What does that mean? Make y subject to the formula. Collect like terms. So CLT. So you bring the minus 1 to this place, it becomes plus 1 equals to y. So therefore my y equals to what? 3 raised by x plus 1, and that's my answer. Now we have another question. Solve for x if log, well bracket, log 3 x squared plus x minus 6 minus log 3 x squared plus 7x plus 12 close bracket plus 2 over 3 log 8 is 9 close bracket equals to 0. Now look at this question. It is very easy. We are asked to what? Solve for x here. Now look at the questions. The first thing you take note is this log is having the same base. So we can take we can use subtraction log here. So you pick what? 1 base and then divide the what? The log x squared plus x minus 6 over what? X squared plus 7x plus 12. Now we are left with plus 2 over 3 and we have what? Log 8 and 9 equal to what? 0. Now from this place, what can we do next? We also write log 3 back. We have x squared plus x minus 6, x squared plus 7x plus 12 bracket plus 2 over 3 outside. Now when we produce same base for this, remember there is a law that shows introduction of same base. So we can introduce base 3 for both log 8 and then introduce base 3 for the base 2. You can write it like this under the law of logarithm. So therefore it becomes this x squared plus x minus 6 x squared plus 7x plus 12 plus 2 over 3. It becomes log 3. We can write this in what? Indices. 8 in indices becomes 2 raised by 3 and 9 in indices becomes 3 squared. Are we together? Okay. Our aim is to look for x. So we are on the journey to look for x. But the journey will be an interesting one. Are we together? So let's do this. So we have the 3. We write this x squared plus x minus 6 over s squared plus 7x plus 12 close bracket plus 2 over 3. Now it becomes, I told you that under law of indices we can bring this power here, so it becomes what? Becomes 2, sorry, 3, I mean the power here is 3, yes, log 3 2 over, then the power here we can bring it here, so it becomes 2 log 3 is 3. Close the bracket. So we can write like this: log 3s squared plus x minus 6 over s squared plus 7s plus 12. I put it plus 2 over 3. Now we can bring this 3 over 2 out because it's coefficient to the what? Log. So then we can leave this in bracket, becomes log 3 2 over, we have log 3 is what? 3, which is what? 1. I told you log of itself is what? 1. So therefore we can cancel this out, cancel this out. So what are we left with? Remember, everything is equated to 0 in the question, so to 0 to 0. So what are we left with? Log 3 s squared plus x minus 6 over s squared plus 7x plus what? 12. So this is cancelled out, so we are left with plus log 3 plus 2 equals to 0. So now, also under the law of logarithm, here now we are also having what? The same base. So we pick one, and addition is what? Multiplication under logarithm. So it becomes log 3, then we multiply s squared plus what? X minus 6 over s squared plus 7x plus 12 minus 2. So we continue. Now we multiply it with 2, it becomes log 3, 2 times x becomes 2s squared plus 2x minus 12 over s squared plus 7x plus 12 equal to what? 0. Everything is equal to 0. No more. So now we are still on the journey to find our x. It's an objective journey. So enjoy the ride. So therefore, now remember under indices, if you have something like this, log 10s equals to what? 2. To find our x, we just do 10 raised power 2 equals to x. Abi? So it will be x equals to 100. I can use the same approach for this. 3 raised power 0 will give me everything here. So 3 raised power 0 equals to, we have 2x squared plus 2x minus 12 over what? S squared plus 7x plus 12. So now 3 raised to power 0, point it to your calculator, it gives you 1. 2x squared plus 2x minus 12 over s squared plus 7x plus 12 over 1. Balance the fraction. Cross multiply, so this comes here, s squared plus 7x plus 12. If you cross multiply, it means 1 times this, 1 times this. So equate it. So 1 times this is this, equal to 1 times this. So it becomes 2s squared plus 2s minus 12. Now collect that things. Now to avoid what? Minus, I'll bring everything here to this place, so I'll collect like in that manner. So it becomes 2s squared minus x squared. I'm bringing here 2s squared minus x squared plus 2x minus 7x. Yeah, minus 12. Then bring plus 12 to this place, minus 12 equals to 0. So now 2s squared minus s squared equals s squared plus 2s minus 5x is what? Minus 5x. Minus 12 minus 12 is minus 24 equals to 0. Now this minus 5x plus. So it will be plus and minus is what? Minus. So I have s squared minus 5s minus 24 equals to 0. Yeah. So now we will do what? To factorize this. Factorizing, pick the middle term minus 5x, you multiply the n term minus 24x. Now this you put plus under, you put multiplication under. You have to say what is the two number I can multiply that will give me what? Minus 25. I'll add, I'll give minus 5. This is what 8 and what 3 to be minus 8 and 3. Minus 8 times 3 is what 20, minus 24, and minus 8 plus 3 is what minus 5. We proceed. I said the journey is an interesting one. Once you keep the laws to your heart and keep applying it, you surely arrive at your answer. You won't miss it. It's so simple as that. So you have to take note of the laws. Very, very important. So now I said it's minus 8. So since the two numbers is minus 8 and 3, I told you we will represent it with this one, middle terms. So s squared. So instead of writing minus 5s, we write this middle term. So it becomes minus 8s plus what? 3x. Then minus 24 equals to 0. So now we'll factorize it by grouping it. So we want to factor out something by grouping. So what's common here? You have to say it is x. So you put it in brackets. Now you divide this x with these two terms. So the first term here is s squared. Divide x with it, become x minus. Second term is 8x. Divide x with it, becomes what? 8. Now the next time you put it down plus. Now I have to say what's common within these two terms of factor out. It is what? 3. So you use 3. You have to say what's common here. It is 3. Write the 3 and put in brackets. Same method. So you use the 3 to what? Divide the two terms. 3x divided by 3. So it's still what? X. Now minus 24 divided by what? 3. It's still what? 8. So minus 8. So minus 8. Now I told you have to check something. If the bracket is same thing, that is your answer is what correct. So the bracket is same thing, that is we factorize it what correctly. So now since our bracket is the same, pick one. So we write this first, we put this in bracket and pick one since it's the same. X minus 3 equals 0. Remember our aim is to what? Find the x. So therefore s plus 3 you equate it to 0, or s minus 8 you equate it to 0. Therefore, we can do what? We can collect like things. So collecting like things becomes s equals to minus 3 or s equals to 8. Now in CBT exams, if the only option you were given is single, like if they give you A s equals to 8, B s equals to minus 3, C s equals to 4, and D s equals to 2. If they did not join the answer to that, if they give you single like this, the positive x is your what? Correct value. So you go for this. But if they combine this, then you go for the combined right option. Now, thank you for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe to this channel. I love you guys. Thank you.